Hey YouTubers, it's Jessica here. Today I'm doing a parody of Teenage Dream by Katy Perry. So I hope you enjoy it. It's my first ever parody, so I know it's not going to be that great, but I hope you enjoy it anyways. If you do, please comment, like, subscribe, thumbs me up, all that sort of stuff. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy it. And also at the end of the video I did like a little bit of a skit sort of. So check that out, and yeah, so on with the video.
What are you still doing up? I thought I told you to go to bed hours ago.
I'm just trying to solve my Rubik's Cube.
Well, do you know what time it is, young lady? You woke me up from my beauty sleep. And you know what I'm like when I don't get my beauty sleep?
Yes, I know.
You and that cube thing are driving me crazy. I don't know why you bought that bloody thing anyways.
I bought it, Mom, because I like it. It's something fun to do and solve. It's been around forever.
Well, you don't know what time it is because you've been fixated on trying to solve that thing.
Yes, I do. It's 10:30. You told me to go to bed at 10. It's only been half an hour.
No, it ain't. I suggest you look at that clock and see what time it really is. It's 3 o'clock? Yeah, it is, and I want you in bed right now, and I'm taking that cue with me. Because I don't want to be woken up again. No, you can't take it. I just solved it. Just finished solving it. No, you can't have it. It's mine. I paid for it. Yes, I can, and I'm your mother, and I will. So hand over the cube. No. If you don't, I will ground you, and you'll never see this thing again. I bought it with my money. I don't want to give it to you, but I do want to keep it, so alright. Here you go. Take it. Thank you. Now go to bed, young lady, and I don't want to see this happen again. You got me? Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the parody and the skit I did at the end. As I said before, you can comment on it, you can subscribe and like it if you liked the video. So yeah, and check me out on my other channel, Jessica Six String, and that's where I do original songs and I do covers and all that sort of stuff. So check me out there, and yeah, and I guess till next time. If you want, maybe I can do another parody in the future. I don't know, I haven't decided on a song yet, but maybe sometime we'll do another parody. But for now, just till next time. So bye.